KM Comp. Vietnam. In Thanh Hoa Province, as a joint venture with Idemitsu, NSRP operates the Nghi Son Refinery, the largest in Vietnam. The Nghi Son Refinery is the largest and most advanced of Vietnam's two refineries. It supplies approximately 40% of the domestic market and significantly contributes to the economy, people's livelihoods, and society as a whole. We at Kawasaki Heavy Industries supply a line of centrifugal gas compressors, KM Comp. KM Comp plays a crucial role in supplying gas containing hydrogen to the Nghi Son Refinery. Our reliable technology supports the refinery's operations.
From our point of view, the KM compressor guarantees outstanding energy efficiencies, leading to reduced steam consumption and minimized operational costs. Additionally, its reliable and durable operation enhance overall operational efficiencies. This compressor stands out for its easy operation, controls, and maintenance.
In the global shift towards decarbonization, in addition to natural gas, expectations are high for hydrogen, which emits no carbon during combustion.
KChai has manufactured, delivered, and strongly supported our customers all over the world, including NSRP. At the same time, KChai also expects to contribute to next generation decarbonized society by developing our new type KM Comp for hydrogen.
With an ongoing commitment to exploring various energy sources, we will continue to put an emphasis on the shift towards hydrogen, bringing a new future of hydrogen energy to people around the world.